Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change font size on itel phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to setting on your itel phone. Okay guys, in settings, click display. In display, you can see the font size. Okay, click this. And okay guys, you can see the font size, sample of text. So okay, this font is set by default. Okay guys, you can adjust the fonts on small or large or largest. So okay guys, okay, my fonts are set into largest, and after that go back, and okay, we have successfully changed your fonts in your itel phone. So okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.